Well, hello, all my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel, depending on if you are a new or returning viewer of awesomeness. But you're all awesome in my eyes, so thank you for coming to spend a little time with me. I did this one Saturday night on my live, and I wasn't paying attention to where I put it down, and the tray was not level and it shifted. So I'm going to redo this color combination in 3 more sizes and make sure my tray is level. So I'm going to speed through all of it, but I'm going to do a 12-inch, a 10-inch, and an 8-inch, all in types of Fiona flowers. This one's still pretty. I don't know what that is, but I'm going to do it all over again. No talking, just music. And at the end, I will do a close-up pan of all 3 of them. So sit back and relax and enjoy the show. Okay, this is the third and final one. This is the redo of the one that I showed you at the beginning that shifted off the edge. And it's still a little close to the edge, closer than I want it. But unfortunately, I had to do that to get it centered. So here she is. I hope that Jeff B is happy that I redid the one that slid, because he really, 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 really loved this color combination. And you know what? I do too. Almost looks transparent here, like the base coat's coming through. And it's got all those pretty little effects. So I'm going to do a, I guess not a side-by-side comparison, but I'm going to do a flyover of all three with my phone in at the end. So thank you all for watching. I'm hoping to have this up on Monday, October 24th. I'm hoping. That'll be cut out. Anyway, I'm hoping to have it up on the 24th for you guys to see before I do my live Tuesday night. I'm going to do a few more of the Fiona flowers in other pinks, and then I'm going to work on, none of them will be varnished in time for the auction, unfortunately. That's the sad part about it, because the auction is this Saturday at 7 p.m. Central, October 29th, and it is an auction to benefit Breast Cancer Association, and I hope that everybody makes it out there. And I do, if you don't make it, I do have a link down below the video of my donation page on Facebook, where you can go donate there if you want to. It's all for a good cause. When I have the auction, 100% of the proceeds are going to the Breast Cancer Association. So you guys have a great week, and well, I hope to see you tomorrow night, because I'm hoping this is up on Monday. I'm not going to do a whole lot of editing. I'm just going to speed up all three flowers except for the end. So stay tuned for the flyovers of all three paintings done in this color combination, and then I will show you guys Tuesday night how they look now that they're dry, okay? Well, semi-dry. So thank you for coming out to watch me, and I love the fluid arts right out of you guys. You all are my viewers of awesomeness. I love you, I love you, I love you. And all I can say is bye for now. Stay tuned for the flyovers.